Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Leo. So if you have your sun, moon rising or your Saturn sitting in the sign of Leo, this is the career reading for the month of July. The first card that I have for you guys is the King of Athens, which is the King of Swords. The King of Swords energy is telling me that for many of you guys, you have been very critical of yourself as well as things that are going around you. Critical in a sense that you are evaluating everyone, you are judging everyone silently. This could also mean that you are at a situation where you have to sign some legal paperwork, so some sort of issues with legality, some sort of issues where you have to deal with paperwork are also possible in regards to your career. The next card that I have for you is the Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands is a card of evaluating your past failures and successes. Now, considering how both cards are about evaluation, despite being the Nine of Wands, this card is not telling me that you are moving ahead, because wands usually represent movement. Something is going on, you are moving from one point to another in your career. But these two cards combined, and then at the bottom of the deck I have the Three of Pentacles card, is telling me you are evaluating a decision. So something in regards to your career that can bring you more success in the future, this is what you're evaluating. Now, for many of you, there are also chances that you are evaluating whether you should invest your time in a particular new course or not, whether you should invest your time learning something new or not. So a lot of you might be at a situation in your life where you're just deciding if you should add a new skill set to your resume, whether you should learn something new or not, whether you should take the transfer or whether you should take the initiative to join a new team or not. The next card that I have for you guys is the Three of Athens. Now, this is a card of disappointment. It's not bad, it's just that you feel disappointed because you put your heart and soul into something and you did not get it. And because you are evaluating, I do feel many of you might be feeling this dissatisfaction from your career, especially in regards to finances, because so far I have not seen finances coming. What I do see is that if you decide to move forward, uh, doing collaborative work, or if you initiate to collaborate with someone, there are chances that you are going to get success. But at the same time, there are also chances that you might fail at it, because you do realize that maybe collaborating with people isn't your strongest suit. The next card that I have for you is the Ace of Wands. Now, Ace of Wands card here tells me that you guys have the momentum coming very, very soon. So moving forward, if you look at the colors of the card, you see how the colors are finally moving towards the brighter side. And this is telling you that finally you are coming into light. Finally, things are going to make more sense. Finally, you are going to find what you are looking for. That's something in your career that is going to bring you success, that is going to bring you that enthusiasm, or a new job, a new offer that is going to let you use your inbuilt talent, inbuilt abilities to improve upon your career situation. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles card again talks about success. It tells you that there is 100% success, but in your case, that success is coming slowly. It's not coming as fast as all the other zodiacs, but specifically in your case, success is going to happen, but success is going to happen slowly. So overall, if you only look at these 6 cards and you have to decide how the month is going to be, I'm going to tell you very frankly, the month is going to be pretty normal. Like, it's going to be like, a very, very normal month. Not a lot of fluctuation, not a lot of ups and downs. The next card that I have for you is the Queen of Chalices. Queen of Chalices tells me that you might have to deal with somebody who's very emotional at the moment. Either it is you, or somebody that you are dealing with could be your boss, could be a subordinate, could be a person you are reporting into, or a person who reports into you. So somebody is very emotional, somebody wants to satisfy their inner satisfaction, in a sense that they want to satisfy their heart's desire instead of just doing things for the sake of earning money. The next card I have for you is the Horned God. Horned God number 4 is the Emperor card. Emperor card is about setting up strong foundations. It's not an easy wishy-washy card. It's a card where you have to really work hard to set up your goals. Long-term goals for the future. You don't want something short-term, you want something long-term, and you want to be treated like a king. Now, if you look at this card carefully, what you're going to observe is how this man is standing tall and broad, and he has all these animals next to him. It's like he has controlled all these animals, and that is exactly the kind of energy you need, which is why I told you, for you guys, success is going to come slowly. And then at the bottom of the deck, I have the Three of Wands. Now, something that I want you to realize or take notice is that you have Three of Pentacles here, you have Three of Wands here. For many of you, if you are planning to move abroad or if you want to move abroad, there are very strong chances that you are eventually going to move abroad. I understand this is the reading for July, but the cards I'm seeing may not only be limited to July. So please take it how it resonates. What this is telling me is when it comes to your career, you, my lovely Leos, have an opportunity to move abroad, to settle abroad for work if you want it to happen. But you have to keep working on it. In terms of the timeline, you are going to get clarity within next 3 months to understand whether you should be going or you should not be going. Now, another thing you have to realize is number 3 is very prominent in your reading. So many number 3s. Number 3 represents Jupiter. Jupiter represents abundance. Jupiter represents joy, optimism. So make sure you pay attention to all these things and you wear a lot more yellow than usual. Let's see from Moonology deck what sort of suggestions or advice do we have for you. The first card that I have for you is you and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. Cancer sign is all about emotions. Cancer sign is all about home. So remember when I said themes in terms of you may have to go abroad. So that theme is very prominent because Cancer has shown up, and Cancer also represents moving away from your mother. It could also mean something related to your mother. You may have to make certain expenses related to your mother. That is also a possibility. The next card that I have for you is a win-win outcome is forecasted. New moon in Libra. Libra is all about maintaining relationship. Libra is all about, making sure that you are having very stable relationships. It's about creating win-win situations, and that is exactly what your focus has to be. Win-win situation means if you have to move to a new team, if you have to collaborate with new people, your idea has to be that both the parties gain something out of it. The idea is not for one team to have more advantage than the other, but to have a balance. So make sure you pay attention to that, and I wish you a very lovely month of July. Don't forget to check your love readings and your number based readings.